Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Devices settings. After that, you need to scroll down and choose Passwords and Security. Then tap on Face Unlock under Screen Lock and enter your current login method. Finally, read the disclaimer over here and tap on Start. After that, you need to wait 5 seconds and choose Next in Attention pop-up. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now tap on Done. Then you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to. And finally choose Home button. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!